Brooks from Brooks Tactical. I'm here to help you get a grip. Now, when you get a grip, it comes in a little package like this with a little yellow label up at the top there that tells you what it fits. Inside the package, you've got a little brochure with questions and answers, complete instructions, a little alcohol swab to clean the gun, and a little extra adhesive just in case. And of course, the AGrip. Now, once you've read the instructions and you've got your frame all prepped and ready to go, take your AGrip, flip it over, and peel the center section of paper out of the middle. Pick up your grip, pick up your frame, and line the AGrip on the frame just like it shows in the instructions. The closer you follow the instructions, the easier it'll go on. So center your grip, the rear spine of the gun, look down the back strap, and you want it to align in just like that from the back. Then just start smoothing it around and aligning as you go. You can see how easy it goes on. Peel off the paper, off the right side, just smooth it around. Wrap it around the front, line it, smooth it down. On the Glocks, and some of the other guns, you're going to stick it over the magazine release. Just stick it down lightly. Make it look good. It's going to show a little bit underneath the overwrap. Alright. Now if the adhesive sticks to itself, don't worry about it. You can peel it apart. Smooth it around. Align it top edge to the top edge. Lift up your slide release lever on the Glocks. Put it underneath and align it with the frame. Now if it's too tight underneath there and you don't have free movement like that, you can always cut around it. And just smooth it around the front. If you get any wrinkles, you can always spread them out. If you stretch it too far, you can always go back. That's why you don't stick it down hard in the beginning. You just stick it down real light. Wrap it around the front. Make it look good. And the Glocks, you tuck the tail in. Some of the newer Glocks, you may not do that. Make sure everything's aligned. Make sure there's nothing in the magazine well. And you get everything where you want it. Rub it down really good and hard. And you're good to go. Now, because of the nature of this adhesive that we use, maximum adhesion comes after about 24 hours. It'll stick down better after time. So your initial stick may not feel very sticky, but over time it'll grab down really good. Just make sure your frame is really clean, no oil, make sure your hands are real clean, and you'll be fine. Have fun.